if you are looking for amazing hosting or hosting to buy, then this is the right time, because right now I'm going to give you a special discount link which you can find in the description of this video or in the first comment. If you click on the link in the description, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal running right now by hosting. Where you can see you can save up to 75%. But when you buy through the discount link mentioned in the description of this video or in the first comment, you can get as much as up to 91% off, and I'm going to tell you step by step on how you can avail as much as up to 91% off. So what you have to do, once you click on the link in the description to buy, you may see over here that hosting has 30 days money back guarantee. Amazing thing, so you can buy with confidence. You are getting hosting is being recommended by WordPress.org, which is one of the world's most popular platform to create your websites. Very great thing. Hosting reviews are excellent, mind-blowing. 50,000 reviews with 4.5 ratings out of 5, 4.7 out of 5 is amazing. So if you scroll below, you can see Hostinger has amazing AI features through which you can launch your website in minutes. Amazing thing. Hostinger has a Cody, the first AI agent for WordPress. Amazing. And Hostinger has lightning fast performance, because I'm using it on my own blog from the last 4 years, and I also can second on this that this was one of the reason, which is why I'm saying to you to buy this hosting, is that they provide you super fast speed, quick loading time, and 24/7 WordPress support. And they also provide you with maximum website protection. Now the security features are just another reason you should buy your hosting from Hostinger. Automatic malware removal, advanced firewall protection, DDoS mitigation, and full managed security. And you can see over here, you can also do fast, free, unlimited website migration. So in case if you're coming from another hosting company, they are being covered, either it's a single website 100, they are going to cover all of your website, that to free of cost. And right now 4 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and even I'm using it. And if you want to buy the hosting, make sure to click on the link in the description or in the first comment, and then you can see over here, you can either select the get started from over here, or you can scroll down to select your plans. Now these are the 3 most popular plans. Do your research before going to buy, and the discount coupon code is valid on all of the plans, so you can buy with confidence. So once you select the choose plan, you may see over here that you are now being redirected to another page, and that is the main page where you can grab this amazing discount. You can see over here the special limited time deal is running right now because you have clicked on a special discount link to buy your hosting. Now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code, which you can find in the description of this video in the first comment to buy. And once you apply this coupon code, you can see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal. Now this is a great thing. Now there is another coupon code which you can use to buy your hosting from Hostinger with this amazing discount coupon code. So you may see over here that your price got a further discount. So do your math. You have opted for your 48 months billing period. Now you can opt for 24 months as well, but I recommend you guys to take the 48 months so you can save the maximum amount of money, because these prices won't appear again, and these are exclusively from your audience. So once you select 48 months, you're getting free domain, 2 months extra free. Do your math. After this, select the continue, and you will be asked to log into your account. So because I have now logged into my Google account, now you can synchronize with the Google account. You create your own account at Hostinger through the email account. After this, you may be asked to write your billing details over here. You can see your discount coupon code is loaded, 30 days money back guarantee is loaded over here. And after this, you can move on to the last part, and last part is selecting the payment methods. Now Hostinger offer you variety of payment methods to buy your hosting from Hostinger: credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, Apple Pay, and QuickGet. So you have so many options to choose on. So select one, and once you select to buy, within few minutes you're going to get an email from Hostinger team with all of your account details. Just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description or in the first comment to grab this Hostinger deal, and follow the step-by-step tutorial and use either of the coupon code to get amazing discount, and enjoy the hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.